Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Hyundai Sonata headlight. First, gather your essential tools: a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Then, open the hood and locate the headlight assembly you plan to replace. Next, you will need to remove the headlight assembly itself. Use your 10mm socket wrench to unscrew the two bolts located on the top of the assembly. Once these are loose, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This action provides enough room to access the electrical connections. Finally, press the small release tab and disconnect the main electrical connector. Now it is time to replace the bulb. Twist the bulb's housing about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly. Gently pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, aligning its 3 tabs, and twist clockwise to secure it firmly. For the final steps, let's reassemble everything. Reconnect the main electrical connector to the headlight assembly, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original mounting position, making sure all tabs align. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier to firmly secure the assembly. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.